If you contradict your visuals, you undermine your message. The human brain processes information on different hemispheres for the different modalities. It processes visual on one side, it processes verbal on the other. If you get both of those processes running at the same time, processing the same piece of information, that's what Anne Spiel called dual encoding, what we know is that that doubles and sometimes trebles recall and therefore learning. John Sweller managed to prove that if you can do that, you can massively improve the amount of information people learn. What happens then if they don't see the same information? If what they see and what they hear don't necessarily complement each other, that creates unhelpful cognitive dissonance. It makes them wonder about why there's a difference, and therefore their ability to synthesize what you've just taught them eliminates. It doesn't just drop, they learn nothing. They go from paying attention to not paying attention. They go from synthesizing the information to not synthesizing the information. So it's a fundamental rule. Don't contradict what they see. If they see a wetland, don't talk about the desert, because if they do, they're never going to learn anything from anything you say because it doesn't make sense. It's like watching a game of football but listening to cricket commentary. The two are just not going to help you learn anything.